Hey y'all, it's Chantel here. You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all my first Airbnb experience in Nigeria. So I visited Lagos recently and got to spend 3 nights in this gorgeous facility situated in Ikeja, Lagos. In case you're new to the word Airbnb, I included this demo for you. Airbnb is an online rental marketplace that connects people who wish to rent out their spaces to people who are looking for accommodations in these locations. Airbnb is available in over 191 countries worldwide, and prices range from $10 to as much as $100 upwards per night. To access it, all you need to do is use your browser and enter address airbnb.com, narrow your search based on location, check-in and check-out dates, and guest. Mine was Ikeja, as you can see, and my second result caught my attention. I went on ahead to read the reviews because I'm very big on that. In a few minutes, I was booked and confirmed after my credit card was charged, that is. I also went more in there to check all the amenities available, from TV to air conditioning to kitchen to private living room and what have you, all that you saw listed on the screen. Got a $5 discount. Hope this helps. Let's just get into the video proper and watch what I have to say about my first ever Airbnb experience in Nigeria. Hey guys, so I'm at my Airbnb now. Let me just show you quickly what the front area looks like and some parts of the inside, so when I get downstairs I can zoom more. Okay, it's so serene and so cute. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat, and on we'll go. So this is the public living area upstairs, I think. Yeah, it's cute. Oh, okay. Okay. This is my room. This is me for the next 3 nights. Oh, it's cute. See the blanket. Very girly. Oh, I love the mood lights. Exactly what I saw on Airbnb. Like, this one was not short sold at all. How we view it, like even the gray curtains, I saw it. And this. So cute. And the little chairs. Okay. Oh, wow. Very modern. Ooh, very bougie. It's so cute. I love the bed. Very big. I'm just going to cozy up here. I know. Thank you, Kaka. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me see the other areas here. I love this wall. It's very cute. So this is another room. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is a kitchen. It's so cute.
Microwave your stuff.
I love the minimalism. Yes. Very nice. Okay. Oh, this mirror. But I can use this space if I want to, though, if I want to take a picture. Oh. Hi, good afternoon. So that's another room. Oh, this is like a family area. Oh, of 3 bedrooms. 1. Okay. 1. Oh, okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and they have a public space. Oh, wow. It's so cute. So a family of maybe 6 or 7 can just take over this side. Let's go downstairs. And it smells so good. I love these frames. Oh, it's really nice. Guys, this is not even sponsored, so don't think that I'm being biased. Like, I'm telling you the whole truth. This is a live plant. It's actually live. Oh, wow. It's cute. Another mirror. Hi. Yep. Huge clock. It's cute. Oh yeah, this wall. Oh, okay. painting, the gold
the light hits the
can reflect. Yes, it's so cute.
in here is a different environment.
So this is like the waiting area.
It is a waiting area.
Okay.
And we have our main
Okay. Oh, this is like a lounge.
lounge for events.
And wow.
So, yeah, everything.
Wow. It's cute. Very nice. But this area doesn't have rooms.
No, this is it's just for let out.
For let out. Oh, okay. Party, yeah. Bachelors, whatever. Bachelorette. Wow, I love the huge mirror. You guys see another mirror? Mirrors everywhere, I know. So cute.
Yes, yes, yes.
Really nice.
Yes, lovely.
Wow. I love this chair. I love the rug thingy here. Really nice. You guys see my feet? I love it. So you guys, I'm back to the room and it's so cozy. Like, I feel like I'm in a home away from home. Let me see. Let me give you another 360. It looks really bomb. There are 2 bottles of complimentary water and you have your tea sets for those who drink tea. I'm a green tea person, so I'll definitely be using this tomorrow morning. I think I came with some sachet of green tea. And then my cup, and there's a small fridge that's already cold. I think I will buy drinks and just put here. I don't know, I'm really not a drink person, but if I get to. And then over here you have your wardrobe. Empty because I haven't put anything. See my small box. I might not even need to unpack. And then this mirror. I love this mirror so much. I'm going to pose. Take a picture. The host Henry is so thorough. He asked how my trip was, how comfortable I am. It's a bummer I didn't get to meet him though because he's not around, but he made sure I was comfortable, or he's making sure I'm comfortable since this is my first day. And the manager or the head of the facility, I don't know what his what's the word, his designation is. Kaka is top notch. He's amazing. He was calling me all the way from the airport here, asking me where I was. Stood outside to wait for me and my Uber guy to get here. It's really thoughtful. If you're returning here, you already know that little things like this good customer service matters a lot to me, and I don't take that for granted because we live in Nigeria and customer service is not always top notch, but these people have made me understand that it's not a generic thing. Do you get? I already knew it wasn't a generic thing, but they are proving it more and more. Okay, I'm really fagged out. I'm so tired. I need to go shower and come and enjoy my bed and hold the remote to change television. I really want to charge my phone first though, so yeah. Oh my god, you guys, let me show you. And you see, to be on the safe side, I even brought adapter from Port Harcourt, but see, I don't even need it. I just plug my iPhone charger here. If this is not a selling point, then I don't know what else is. Trust me, like, I'm sold. If ever I come to Lagos again and I'm staying on the mainland, then this will be my go-to. I'll leave all the details in my description box, and I also have a code for you all. So if you're using this property or getting any other property on Airbnb, you can use my code to save some coins and you enjoy your stay. Trust me, you enjoy staying here. I feel like I'm too bright. Oof. Yeah, lighting is 100%, just so you know. For those that want to take pictures, but I'm enjoying my stay and I can't wait to see what the next 3 days bring. Yeah, so this is what it looks like with all the 3 lights on. But if I turn off this one and turn off this one, it's just the mood light that is on, and it's so cozy, guys. I can't wait to get under that blanket and just sleep. I'm going to order food now. Kaka told me that there's food service here. I was already thinking of how I'm going to order food from any of these fast food delivery services. He's sending the menu to me and I'll just check and make my pick. I'll tell you guys everything about it. So I'll talk to you all later. Let me go and shower and freshen up. Bye. You guys, this is the bathroom. I love this area. Can you see the shower? Very bougie. Like, everything about here is so modern and I love it. Gold and black. It's really cute. The tiny heater where you hang your towel, the toilet I already showed you guys, and there's a complimentary tissue and soap. And then you have the wash hand basin here. There's also this cute mirror where I'll be feeling myself. So hey guys, you see these buttons here. This one says this one spells top spray, this says hand spray, and this says, what's that? I can't even see. Effluent, that's the tap. So to control it, yeah, I haven't seen this type before, and you all know I'm very real. I'm not going to come here and form being everything and more when I've not seen it before. So yeah, for this one now, for it to work, you have to press it in. So right now it's on top spray, it's inside, yeah. So let me turn on the tap. Oh, okay, both top spray and hand spray were on, so I have to turn off one for the other one to work. Can you see that? It's splattering water from the hand one now, so let me turn that off. Yeah, I've turned it off now. And if I turn on this one, that's the top spray. You can see that the water is coming out from the top of this thing. It's so cool. Okay, let me get back to my shower. I'm done from the shower. That was such a good experience. I had to change channels and I realized that there's a Dstv remote. Is this it? Yeah. There's Dstv remote, so I can switch channels to anyone I want. A whole lot of options. A whole lot. Not like all these hotels you go and they have just 3 or 4 channels for you. There's a whole lot. I'm changing. You guys are myopic, so I can't really see what I'm changing to, but all I'm trying to say is that you have a whole lot of options. I was watching Big Brother. Oh, Chopped is on. Let me watch Chopped. I love Chopped. Yeah. So, yeah. Increase the volume. Then I was sent a complimentary drink. He asked me what I wanted and I said fruit juice. So this is 5 Alive Pulpy. Thank you, Kaka, and thank you, Henry. If they ever get to watch this, I don't know if they follow my YouTube channel, although I'm going to tell them that I have a YouTube channel so they can subscribe. My food is here, guys. Oh my gosh. And it's so affordable. This plantain is 300. This rice and this stew is 1,000. Chicken is, I think, 700 or 600 there about. In total, everything I'm eating here is about 2,000 naira, which is so filling. You guys know I eat once a day, so after this I don't need to eat anything again. If I entered the fast food, maybe the place or Jevnik or yellow chili, it would have been way more expensive. So yeah, I'm about to dig in now. Legit the biggest thighs I've seen. Chicken thighs, that is. It's so huge. I just had to show you because I was already eating. Wow, this meat alone, this chicken alone was a full meal. I just ate half of the rice, my plantain, and I still have stew left. Just drop it outside and come pick up.
The next morning.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my...
I haven't updated you guys in so long. I've just been busy making another vlog and just living life in general. But this is my 3rd night here and I leave tomorrow. I leave this gorgeous place tomorrow. Back to reality. And I've really enjoyed my stay here. I don't think I included it, but I paid $30 per night here. So in total, what I paid for 3 nights was $100 and something. I don't think $100 and something is a lot for the comfort I've gotten here, the location of the place, the 24 hours lights, the free internet, everything, the complimentary drink, the complimentary water. The place is really accessible to other areas of Lagos. The road is good. Did I mention 24 hours light? Yes, there's 24 hours light. Even though there's a light outage, they turn on the gen almost immediately. The comfort, you guys saw how beautiful the room is, how cozy it is. Like, I've just been living my best life. I'll still talk to you guys tomorrow when I'm about leaving and eventually end the vlog. I'll leave all the details in my description box, so if you're looking for a place to stay in for a period of time on the mainland, then this is your best bet. You will love it. I'm not even saying a lot because the place sold itself already. You guys already saw what I'm working with and how cozy the place looks. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. This is my last day here and I already called my Uber. I'm about leaving for the airport, but I just had to come on here and end the vlog before I leave. So my ratings for this place, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 because I really enjoyed my stay. It is situated in Ikeja, Baba Pomile Street in Mangoro. Yes, I got that right. I'll leave every detail in the description box, and if you want to check it out, you can do so. It's really amazing. You won't regret it. I'm over the moon that I stayed here. Like, it was literally home away from home. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Also share. Leave your comments in the comment section. I love when you engage in my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.